So alright guys, welcome back to another edifying tutorial on how you can start your e-commerce store, how you can start making money online. Get to meet me. My name is Samuel Joshua, and of course this is the voice of 𝐲𝐤 𝐓𝐵 Logistics Limited. So what we are going to be doing very quickly today is I'm quickly going to be sharing with you how you can create your own seller store on Konga. We all know what Konga does. They are online platform that they connect buyer to seller. You can sell your item, you can also buy from there, just like your popular Jumia, right? So just like Jumia, Konga, and Gigi, and also Facebook, right? You can buy and sell things there. So what we are going to be doing today is to sell on Konga. So we have two methods you can use to create a seller store on Konga. You can either come to konga.com, where my cursor is presently is. We have konga.com. So you want to click on sell on Konga. However, you can also come to their other website here, which is this website here, to click on sell on Konga, right? So if I have to scroll down a little bit, you can see how it works. You just create an account, then you list your products and you start promoting it to sell to over millions of people. So the reason why you want to choose Konga, you can see here, their commission is very low and you can also earn money from them directly, right? So these are a whole lot of benefits from this, and they have 24/7 customer support, right? So what you want to do to get started is to watch this very tutorial to the very end, right? So now I'm going to click on sell on Konga here. So once you click on sell on Konga, it's going to do what? It's going to redirect you to their sellers page. So let me click on it here. Once I click on it, you will see here, right? So you see sell on Konga here. You can see the full details here. So you want to do what? You want to click on register. Once you click on register now, it's going to open a new tab and takes you to this same page, right? So once you get to this same page, there are some few things you need to do here. So in a very quick one, you are going to name your store. So me, I will name my store my brand name. I already have my brand name already, which is 𝐲𝐤 𝐓𝐵 Logistics, right? Or I can let me just use 𝐲𝐤 𝐓𝐵 Logistics. So automatically it's going to provide this store URL for you. So your description of what you do, you can sell with deal, you can just write something simple, or what you're selling or what you intend to sell on Konga. So let me say we deal on gadgets, and we sell office chair and desk, right? We also sell microphones, right? We also sell microphones. You can just put random things that you sell and other items, right? That other items covers any other things that you're selling. So here you want to make sure that the email you want to provide it is correct, because they are going to be sending you a link, right? So let me check my email here. So this is the email I want to use. This is my official email, right? So you want to choose a random password. Make sure it's a very strong password as at that. So I'm going to input my random password here. So this is my password. Then you want to scroll down. You want to input your title as Mr., right? Then your first name as your surname, right? Then your other name, which is your last name. You can put Joshua there. That's my name. So you can, if you like, you can put my name there. So this number, they are going to verify it. So make sure the number is available with you. So they are going to verify it. Then your street address, make sure you input the correct street address there, because they are going to also verify it. So once you're done inputting your address, you want to scroll down a little bit, right? Once you scroll down, you want to select your state. So this is not your state of origin, but the state you are presently living in. So don't go and do a mistake there. So I'm going to quickly select, I'm presently in Ibadan, which is Oyo State. So best thing, one thing I love about these people is the fact that you can always select if you are in any state, you can do well to it works perfectly. It's not as if you must be in a certain city before you can buy. Just like Jumia, you know, Jumia now, you must be in Lagos before you buy, but this does not have to do with that. So how do you hear about Konga? You can just say, I hear about let me say online, right? So you can, if you have a referral code, you can also input my referral code. So once you are done with that, you want to click on continue. So this is it here. I told you the other time that they are going to be sending an email to your email. So go to your email. Let me refresh my email here. So they are going to send you an email notification, which is what you are seeing here. You click on it to verify your email so you can proceed with your registration. So I'm going to click on verify my email. So once I click on verify my email, then you will see that my account has been verified and it has been successful. So the next thing you want to do, click on continue. So a code will be sent to your number. Remember I told you that they are going to verify this number, so you want to make sure that is the number that is available. So I've already received the code here, which is what I'm presently inputting. Then you want to click on verify and continue. That's one thing I love about these people. Their email is a very straightforward email address. So you want to input your email and log in directly. Remember, I've saved my password the other time, so I'm just going to do what, re-log in back. So I'm going to click on login. The registration is very easy and straightforward, right? So here you are on the seller HQ of Konga without a twinkle of an eye. I told you the other time that is a very awesome feature, which I love. It does not take time and it does not waste your time, right? So this is my phone number. They tell you that you need to verify to connect to Konga Pay, but let me just cancel this. I'm not using this presently because I don't want to use Konga Pay for now. So now the first thing is just, we are 5 steps ahead of us. There is 5 steps ahead of us. The first one here is to agree to the terms and condition of Konga, right? The second one is the orientation guide on how it works, your valid ID, upload your passport photograph and your bank information. So let's quickly go and do that shortly. So this is their terms and condition. You want to read through, so you can take your time to read their terms and condition. Then you want to accept their terms and condition. Once you click on accept, then you want to click on next, right? Once you click on next, it's going to take you to where you can get and download their manual guide. So if I'm to click on get manual guide, it will upload, it will open a new tab. Then you can see here, you can always read through. I'm also going to be downloading this and leave it under the comment section or the description button, so you can see how their services work from one way to one page and to the other page, so you can know how to go about it, so you just don't jump into it directly, right? So once you're done reading through, you want to click on I've gone through the orientation guide. Then you want to click on next, right? So once you click on it, it will take you to this page where you are going to be uploading your valid means of identification. The first one they accept here is what is their driver's license. If you have driver's license, you can make use of your driver's license. This video is proudly sponsored by 𝐻𝐾𝐲 Educational Services. If you have been willing to travel to the US, to the UK, to France and Canada to study, maybe educational purposes, or you want to maybe use the medium to relocate, 𝐻𝐾𝐲 Educational Limited is the right choice for you. What 𝐻𝐾𝐲 basically does is they help you process admission to any university or any college or any institution in the UK, US, France, but basically right now they are offering admission into the university of different universities in the UK. Maybe you want to go and do your master or you want to go and do bachelor degrees. This is the right opportunity for you. The benefit of using 𝐻𝐾𝐲 services includes the guidance. They are going to guide you, and also they are also going to be putting you through some things that you really wish to know in terms of what counseling. They are going to be counseling you on the right services you need to do, on how to go about it, and also they are going to be assisting you on your application visa fee, right? Maybe you have issues with your visa, they are going to be assisting you with that. And also, another benefit of using 𝐸CAR services is that they offer free consultation. Maybe you want to consult them, you want to ask them questions, you want to ask them about their tuition fee. Is it instrumental payment, which I believe they are also doing instrumental payment, right? So you can pay your school fees instrumentally. And another benefit is that they can help you do what? Secure the they are going to help you secure this admission. All right, once they help you secure it, then you have to, it's not as if you're going to be making a full payment. You're not making a full payment, you're just going to make your part payments. And once your application and the institution give you what, once they give you the admission, then you now complete your tuition fee. Also, they are going to be helping you with accommodations, and they're going to be giving you post-study work permits. They are going to help you process all these things, right? These are things they offer. Maybe you want to school there, you want to go there to school, and you also want to be working at the same time in the UK. They are going to help you process your work permit that will give you access to start working from what? From UK, and you go to school at the same time. Help you with all these services, and they will analyze it for you on how it. They are not charging you for any agency fee or any consultation fee. If you want to consult them, you are free to consult them for free. All right, just tell them when you're messaging them, I'm going to be leaving their contact. They are Nigeria. They have offices here in Nigeria, in the UK, and in the US, right? So you can contact them with the number displaying on your screen. Just tell them it is from Zion Hub Logistics Limited. Wherever you might be watching from, maybe outside Nigeria, Ghana, US, you are eligible to study. So they are not charging you for consultation. You can just go there to make inquiry. Just text them, ask for their processes. How are they? If it actually sounds like what you're interested in. So why don't you just join the winning group to do what? To Japa and relocate to what? To UK directly. All right. So you can just contact them today and see how they works. And use your national ID card, which is your NIN. Can use your international passport or any means of other valid ID. So I'm going to be going for any of these. So I'm going to select my file, then I'm going to upload my passport here. I already have my passport here, so I'm going to be using my passport for this verification, right? So they are going to upload it on their server just to be on the safer side, so you don't get to scam people. You know they already have your information. So here you want to upload your passport photograph. It's very simple. These are just normal data that we have. These are just normal informations we have. So here you want to verify your bank account. So you want to click on provide a bank account that they are going to be settling the payment to. So I have a corporate account here. I have also recorded a video on how you can get a corporate account. So I'm going to be leaving it under the comment section. So let me input my bank account here, so you can see it's going to bring out my brand business name. Once you are done inputting it, you want to click on check your account name, right? So it's going to check and verify. You can see here we have Zion Hub Logistics Limited. So if it does not bring your name, then you want to cross-check the account number. You can input your normal personal account number there. It's not as if maybe it's the most you do what you upload a corporate account. But if you are willing to get a corporate account, is what I've already recorded a video for free. Just check under the description button, you will see how to open a corporate account. So it's a very straightforward tutorial as well. So you want to click on proceed. Guys, if you have enjoyed this video to this last page, please, I beg you in God's name, I'm on my knees, please subscribe to our channel, like it, and if you encounter any problem during the process, leave it under the comment section, right? So here we have different types of items, right? So you can click on overview, then you can also click on physical goods. So if you want to sell physical items, you can see here we have welcome to Konga, your subscription page, right? So this is their physical goods. So if you are selling a physical goods, this is where you choose your subscription. So for a start, I will always recommend you go for the silver package here, which is 2005 monthly, which is awesome. How much is 2005? is what we we used to eat on a daily basis, even more than that, right? So you can either go for 2005 monthly, which you have access to upload over 70 products. You can list up to 70 products. Then if you are going for the 5,000 monthly plan, you can go for unlimited products. So I think this one is still awesome. Maybe in the nearest future you can now upload, you can upgrade your plan. So I'm going to go for this silver package of 2005. So I'm going to click on choose, right? So once I click on choose now, it will redirect me to where I'm going to be making my payment, which is awesome. Even I think Jumia do charge more than this or something. So I've already choose 1 month. If you want to select 3 months plan, 6 years, 6 months or 1 year. So let's go for 1 month and click on proceed to make payment. All right. So once you click on proceed to make payment, it's going to take you to this page. Click on pay now. All right. Once you click on pay now, it's going to give you option. It's going to give you different options to make payments, right? So we have different form of payments. One thing I love about Konga is they will give you different options. Even your customers, if they are trying to place order on your page, they will give them different options. So I'm going to go for I want to go for bank transfer. So although it might take some time, you can also use your card to make payment. But let's say I'm going for bank transfer here. So the name you want to use to send, the name on the account, the sender's account, you are going to input it here. Then you also input the first name as well. So you click on pay now, right? So once you click on pay now, it's going to generate an account for you. So once you make the payment, then you will click on I've made the payment. So I'm quickly going to open my bank app now to do this transfer. So let me quickly wait for my network to come up. So I'm going to select the bank. I think this is Fidelity Bank. It's going to load up the page to confirm if they've received any payment on this account on your name. So you can see I've been debited now. So I'm quickly just going to wait for some moment for this account to confirm my transaction. So it does not even take up to maybe 2 minutes before they confirm my transaction. So you can see here that our store is now active, and you can see we have active now. So now what we want to do, the next thing we can start doing now is to start uploading our products on Konga to start connecting to buyers. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I don't want this video to be a very long one, so I'm going to stop this video here. So in my next tutorial, we are now going to be looking at how we can upload a product from A to Z, just like the way we created an account now, how we can upload a product directly on this Konga store. All right, it's a very simple process. So I'm also going to be leaving you with this video on how you can create a corporate account for those people who want to step up their game this year. So you can create a corporate account. If you have watched one or two, if you have gained 1 or 2 things in watching today's tutorial, kindly like this video. I beg you, share it, comment where you are watching from, the state you are watching from, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So thank you guys for watching this very tutorial to the very end, and I will definitely see you in my next tutorial.